How to play 1v1 in Warzone with friends. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. To play 1v1 in Warzone Call of Duty, first and foremost you need to open up your application. Make sure that your application is up to date and your mobile device actually supports the gaming version. Ensure that you are logged into your account and you have created your player ID. To play 1v1 in Warzone, starting off, go ahead and select the option of gaming mode. So when you tap on the gaming mode, you will see different versions and different modes of the gameplay that you can play along. If you scroll down to the very bottom, you will find yourself Warzone Private Match. If you tap on the Warzone Private Match, you'll be able to play along with your friends. However, the Warzone currently does not support 1v1 and it will need at least of 50 players to play. As Warzone's core gameplay is designed for larger battles, and there is no built-in mode for private matches with just a few players, that is 1v1. And that's a wrap for the video as well. We hope that you found this video informative to you.